Hi everyone, Inclusive Mall Designs here, and this is the reveal, or I guess you can say the finale, of my 1/3/5 scale Leopard C2 tank build and diorama, and we are done. And as you can see, I did decide to go ahead and put the Lord Strathcona's horse cap badge as part of my display, but it's not permanently mounted. Originally, I was going to have the cap badge mounted right here, but I decided just to, put it into the grass there. So wherever this model does end up, if you want to remove it, you can. But I do like, the look it gives the model. So, I thought, we'll put it in the grass there, and I do like the look of it. So again, if you don't like the look of it, because you belong to a different regiment or whichever the case might be, you can remove it. But I do like the look of it there. Another thing I was waiting for in the mail were these flags right here from Archer, and they come in many different sizes, but the ones I was after more so were these real tiny ones here for the arms of the soldiers. And I'm going to try and get in close, but if you look, just the way the lighting is, I'm going to try and flick off the lighting. Maybe that might help a little bit. There we go. If you look on their shoulders, I can't get in too close just the way this zooms, but you get the idea. That's what I was waiting for more so, was to get the Canadian flags on their arms. And that really makes the Canadian soldiers on this build pop. And that's what I was waiting for more so. And that, to me, really makes this a purely Canadian build. I mean, obviously the Canadian maple leaf on the side of the tank gives it away too. But to have those maple leafs on the shoulders of the Canadian figures really sets it apart, at least in my view. But that's it. This one is done, and very happy with the way it turned out. And the next Canadian tank that we'll be doing is the C1 tank, Leopard. And then we'll be moving on to a few other Canadian tanks, the 2A6s, I believe. But we'll cover those a little bit later. I'm going to take on the C1 challenge anyway. That one's a bit trickier because there's not too much out there as far as to try and build it. But the C2 is done. A little bit of scratch building that was done on this one. You can go back in the video history there and see how I did this one. But very happy how this one turned out, as you can see. But yeah, let me know what you think. Again, very happy with the Canadian flags on their shoulders and how that turned out. Now, again, these are dry transfers, but I cut these out. I didn't try and put dry transfers on their shoulders, and trying to rub those on. That wasn't going to happen. I actually just cut these out and then glued them on. That was just the easier way of doing it. But that's what I was waiting for more so, and for the reveal video. So that's it for this project there, guys. I hope you like it, and very happy how this turned out. So thanks so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. So thanks so much. Bye.